Hello everyone, welcome to part 122 of Laravel 11 series, in which we're getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the order invoice. In last video we have created this invoice, and in this part we are going to generate barcode for our order invoice. So barcode is required for shipping the order, and every shipping partner provides some kind of barcode css so that we can able to generate the barcode for the order invoice, so that they can scan from their barcode machine. Okay. We are going to work on that, and I want to tell you that these are the instructions that we are going to follow. You can find these instructions under video. Okay. And there are many packages for generating the barcode, and one of the package, that is the milon barcode, that we have earlier also we have used this package. This is one of the best package available online for Laravel. Okay, so we are going to download this package. I have simply searched this package, and I'm going to download. This is the link that you can find under video description. You can just require to open this, and you are required to download this package for your project. Okay, so here you can see that this is the command that you are required to run, and I'm going to run for my project, and going to install this package, this milon barcode package, by running this composer command, and for my project 11. So I'm going to run this command for my project. Okay, so this is my project 11, and here the package is installing. So it will take few seconds to install this package, and if you are using Windows, you can go simply inside the folder and can install your package by right click and git bash here if you have installed the git bash, or you can run the command prompt to install your package. Okay, in Mac we are just required to right click and open in terminal. Okay, open so you can see that the package has been installed now. Okay, so after installing this package, then you can see the code is given here. Okay, there are objects of this class, and we are going to use this class at the top as well. It's milon barcode class that we are going to use at the top. And here in instructions I have told that after installing this package, you are also required to add okay, so no class is there. Just we are required to update with any of the syntax. Okay, these are the syntax. Okay, so first we are going to add the barcode. I'm going to open the invoice here. So we are going to add the barcode for the order number, and we are also going to add the barcode for product code. Okay, so there must be three barcodes will be there. One is the one for the order number, and the big barcode will be there as the order number is too long, so the barcode is too long, so we are going to add the barcode here. Okay, and for product code we are going to add the barcode here. There is the empty space, and with every product there is the barcode. Okay, so we are going to add this barcode, and we are going to use you can see that we are going to use this get okay, so here I am going to find. So yeah, so one of these barcodes we are going to use. Okay, so there are many types of barcode that you can try, and I have used here one particular C93 DNS1D C93 C93 I have used. I have tried many of the barcode, and I have used this particular barcode I have used. Okay, so I'm going to update in my code. I'm going to open my project here in Sublime. Okay, so this is project 11. Okay, so I'm going to open my project here. I'm invoice here invoice, order invoice, and here first I'm going to add the barcode for the order number. Here I'm going to add here I'm going to add. Okay, so this one I have already tried offline at my end. So here you can see this is the barcode script that I have added. Just this is the copy paste of this one, and just this is the script. And here we have used this dns1d get barcode HTML. We have called the object of this class, and also we have added the order ID here. Okay, see, I will tell you that how to make it dynamic. It's very easy. See, I will tell you that just I copy this one, okay, and paste here. After pasting here, we are not required order number, anything we are not required. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so after this we will copy the script from here, the barcode script. This one we'll simply copy and we'll paste it here. Okay, and I'm going to include it in PHP. So we are going to make it dynamic. This is the order ID that we are going to add here in place of this one, like this. Okay, and rest everything will remain same. And here we are going to check okay, order details, fine and fine. Okay, so and also its CSS we have a little bit we have improved. So we are going to update its CSS as well. And now I'm going to try this, that it is coming or not in my invoice. Let's see. Yes, the barcode is coming. Here you can see the barcode is coming fine. Okay, so you can more align it as per your requirement. You can make it correct. Okay, so I'm going to add the barcode for the product code as well. In the same way, I'm going to add the barcode for the product code, and for that I'm going to add this one here. Place it like this. Okay, so that here we will send the product code. Okay, and I'm going to check it now, that how it looks. Here you can see the barcode for the product code. Okay, here is one letter more, BTG01, and here is RG01. So this barcode is long than this one. Okay, so like this you can able to add the barcode for your order invoice. And this kind of script, they are going to provide you this kind of script. If you are going to add the third party integration of any of the shipping partner, then they will provide you the script. Just you are required to pass the order ID like we have done, and the product code. Okay, so this is the barcode that you can add in your order invoice. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.